Hey, how's it going? My name's Aaron, and this is my Eagle Talon. Maybe I should make a master video for this, but today I'm going to take you on a wiring adventure for Megasquirt. All right, let's grab the computer. Doesn't everyone keep their tools in their Miata? Leave that open. All right, so I really don't understand how cars work, and so I got a Mini Cooper map set. No, where is it? That's from an Audi. Anyway, I got a Mini Cooper map sensor, but I just don't understand how map sensors on an ECU work, and I forgot that the map sensor is in the Megasquirt. So I'm just gonna put the Neon RT sensor back in.
Screwy, right? So I guess I'm only using the sensor as an intake temperature sensor, just fine. It's a T-map sensor. Is thread stripped out? What's going on here? Oh, there we go. It's toy. Look, I tied it.
There we go. I checked the voltage on this battery. It's 12 volts, but I don't know how long it's gonna last. I built the box for a red top battery, so this, of course, will not fit. Yes, we look for reliable connections here. Barely touching. Keep hitting boost. Let's see, does it turn on? Yes. Oh, the lights are still green. I haven't done this in a long time. All right. Will the engine? Yes, I can access the ECU. Cool. All right. We are on. All right, so the problem that I'm experiencing today is, so currently we are offline. I have this not plugged in. Oh, God damn it. You can see all my crappy wiring. Megasquirt's on. Right. Okay, it's still. Right, so getting lots of bad signals, and it says battery voltage too low. So you go to the comms, Mini, and you say, hey man, what are you reading? Turn it on and off. Right, battery voltage too low. So anyway, I measured battery voltage at the DB37 and it's 10, but for some reason at the battery it's nearly 12, and Miata, which runs fine, is nearly 12 as well. So I believe that to be consistent, and the power going into the switch is also at about 10.3. This is 10.3. There's no voltage drop, so we're gonna go see if it's something in the engine bay. You can see where my wires are set up. It's kind of not the best, but so it is the, oh man, which is it? So the ECU is powered at the DB37 by a pink wire, and it goes through the switch panel, but it starts somewhere in the fuse box with red white. So let's go find a red white wire. Voltage in series, well, no. When you wire something in parallel, right, it'll share the same voltage, but have additive amperage. When you wire something in series, you'll have the same amperage, but additive voltage. So what it's telling me is something is in series eating up that voltage. So I'm gonna find it. So some guy named Aaron, about a year ago, wired this. And he said to himself, you know, I'll probably be taking this apart as I try to get this thing running. So anyway, he decided to wrap up everything, regardless of that thought process. And now here we are, unwrapping it. You know, I'm kind of coming to Jesus where I will probably be taking out this entire harness when I am done and doing it all nice. So anyway, maybe this is my ECU, right? Pink. Maybe it's going to this relay with, oh, where is it? Red, white, you know. I don't know. Okay, so red, white seems to be at this relay, right? If you know anything about relays, there's a resistor and then there's a door side. So running power through one side activates the door on the other. And so I think I ran like this. So this wire should have power. The red white should not. And let me see. These have power. So we'll just touch a bolt. Get 12. That's a good bolt. That's a good bolt, so we can use that as a reference. Is this gonna work? Oh, no way, dude. All right. So that's right. That side should have no power. No power. Yep. Okay. What about this side? That side has power. So I must have ran it like a moron. The relay costs a lot of voltage to operate. Just found out. So I will have to wire someplace else. This isn't a good sign. Just to check, make sure that the voltage is our problem. I'm gonna run some wire to this circuit and just make sure, because it's directly from the battery, so we'll be good. All right, so it looks like we have a minor victory. Getting proper voltage to the computer fixes it. All right, so I will see about getting a relay tomorrow. Sick. I have a setup of what I currently have now, and it's kind of obvious why the ECU isn't getting enough voltage. So get 12 volts, and it goes to power this ASD relay, which powers a lot of accessories on the engine, right? And that opens up the switch, or that closes the switch once you send voltage through the coil. But obviously, that coil takes up voltage because we're in series. And so when you close this switch, you don't get full 12 volts to the ECU. So I bought a relay, and we're gonna run it in parallel. So 12 volts, right? And that coil is still gonna power the same relay. Stuff will be going to the engine right here with the switch. And then another relay, which will allow 12 volts to go to the ECU will go there, go to ground. And that is all controlled by a switch that then grounds. I got the ECU wired in with 12 volts, and I even calibrated the throttle position sensor. Oh, come on. Anywho, I think I'm getting close to wanting to fire it up. So this is exciting. The next thing I need to do is set up my clutch. That I think I have some ideas for that. But that'll be cool, and that will be what is next. Thanks. Bye.